everyone, Darko here for your weekly trade example. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's see here. Before I even start, make sure that you listen to our podcast, Forex Trading Coach podcast, where I talk about my journey, my mistakes, and basically from day one until today. So make sure that you have a listen. You won't regret it, I promise you. And then also make sure that you follow me on LinkedIn. I'm very active on LinkedIn. Posting everything from pending orders to analyzing the market and motivational stuff and lots of other things. And also, if you are interested in our service and you haven't made your mind yet, make sure that you sign up for our free version for our service. And the website is forexmentor.com/cc starter. So forexmentor.com/cc starter. Lots of videos in the archives, and lots of, you will get a very good insight of what I'm providing, what we are providing for our paying clients on a regular basis. So we had a trade on Euro Pound last week. And let's see what I had to say about this trade in the PMA that I provided for my paying clients, and I will talk you through it. Euro Pound, I read a comment in a chat room about red flag news, cancel it. Well, here's the thing, my bias is long. This was a strong level. It is still a strong level. Price happened to pull back into another level of support that is below there. This is a weekly ACAT at support. I'm taking this trade as a pending order. If you are afraid of, I wouldn't say afraid, that's just for lack of better wording. If you are concerned about red flag news or whatever that might be, I don't even know if we have a red flag news about euro for, yeah, we have, this is happening, yeah. Well, you have to use your discretion and see if the red flag news is just coming out right at your entry. Then you have to make a business decision. I'm telling you this before it becomes hindsight. Weekly ACAT at weekly support in alignment with my bias. I will be taking this 618 fib entry with a low stop loss unless something changes over the weekend. Okay. Sorry, yeah, on Monday if like something very horrible comes out or the news is just right at my entry there, I use that, using a lower risk entry with the low stop loss and see what this takes me. And if it happens to be a full loss, at least I follow my game plan and we take it from there. There you go. You heard me talk about this trade way in advance, where we had a weekly ACAT, and as you see, we got filled in here. And by the time we got filled, there was some red flag news around the world, and price breached that level clearly. And once we retest my entry level, I exited 50% of my position at break even. And left the rest within the original stop loss, and obviously things looked like went against us, and I was prepared for a reduced loss, and obviously that never happened, and price is up. I think I was like up just under 130 pips, 125, and the trade management is very individually. Some people took nothing off and they are in full position. They took something else. They have a risk-free look, and regardless, this will be a winning trade. So yeah, let's see how the market reacts from now moving forward, and you can keep track of this trade, watching how price reacts this week. And we take it from there. That's it. Hope you like this session. Make sure that you hit the like button. And if you want to be mentored by a coach where I actually show you stuff way in advance, talking you through the trades, my thinking process, how I come to the conclusion of making this into a pending order, and showing you trades whenever I see a trade presenting itself. I grab the mic and record a PMA. We have a PMAs Mondays and Thursdays. Mondays are usually Forex, and Thursdays are usually indices, commodities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, basically the stock market and everything around it. So and whenever anything sets up in between, I make sure that I record an extra PMA. And also I always provide bonus stuff, bonus videos, and like I said, extra PMAs and other stuff throughout the week. So yeah, make sure that if that's the case, you can find out more about our service. Go to forexmentor.com/cc/join and have a look at our website. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Cheers.